So hey coders, in this video we will learn about HTML attributes. We will do both of theory and practical, but if you did not watch my previous video in this series, I want you to watch that video first, and if you did not subscribe me yet, please subscribe me and like the video. So let's get started. So let's learn about attribute. First of all, it provides additional information about HTML elements. It is needed for providing some other information that is necessary for an element, and it should be specified in the opening tag, and remember that you cannot use it in the closing tag or some other places. After that, you can see here the next point is it should be write as key value pair. That is, you have to write the name first. After that, you have to add the equal sign. After that, in double quotes or in single quotes, you have to write the value of the attribute. And remember that all elements can have attribute. Any kind of element can have attribute. So let's take a look at some examples of attributes. First of all, let's learn about the source attribute. You can use the source attribute with image element. The image element does not have the closing tag. Remember that some element does not have the closing tag, and these elements are known as empty elements. You can see here the image element. Image element is used for adding a image in a website, and this is the attribute source. And but there can be two type of part in the source attribute. The first one is the absolute part, and the second one is relative part. The absolute part is that is not present in the same domain. That is, if you want to put a file from different domain, you have to put a absolute part, and if you want to put a file from the same domain, that is from the same website, you are in that case you have to add a relative part. And remember that relative part starts with a slash. After that, let's learn about the href attribute. Href attribute can be used with a element. A element is used for adding a link in your website. When we click on this link, it will be redirected to my YouTube channel, as I have put the value as my YouTube channel, the link of my YouTube channel. And remember that you have to put it in the opening tag. After that, let's learn about the style attribute. The style attribute can be used with any element. I have used it with p element to style a paragraph. I have put the value, and in place of value I have added some properties. First of all, the color property and the font size property. The color property is the value of the color property is blue, and the font size is 24 pixel. That is, the paragraph will be of blue color and of 24 pixel font size. So let's see it practically.